Welcome to my Science Academy. Today we are going to discuss the topic of osmoregulation in plants. How osmoregulation occurs in different plants distributed in different habitats. Plants are distributed in different habitats. Those plants which are living in aquatic habitat are known as hydrophytes, and those which are living in moderate habitat are called the mesophytes, and those which are living in dry habitat are called the xerophytes. First of all, we will discuss the hydrophytes. Hydro here means water, and phytes are the plants. So we can say that hydrophytes are plants that are specially adapted to live in aquatic environment including freshwater and marine habitats. Examples of hydrophytes are water lilies, water lettuce, and pond weeds. Next, we will say how these plants are adapted to their habitat. Number 1, hydrophytes have adapted to remove excess water from the body. Number 2, in these plants, the surface area of leaves is very large to transpire water excessively. Here is the diagram of water lily plant, and you can see that the leaves or plants are very large in size and they are having larger surface area, so to promote the transpiration, and that results in the water loss. Number 3, extensive stomata are present on the upper surface facing the atmosphere to promote loss of water. Large number of stomata are present on the upper surface of the leaf, so that promote the transpiration and also promote the loss of water. Next are the mesophytes. Meso here means moderate or middle, and phytes are the plants. So mesophytes are those plant species live in mesic condition where moderate water supply is available. The examples are brassica, rose, etc. Here is the diagram of brassica plant, and this one is the rose plant. Next, we will see the adaptations. Number 1, the leaves of mesophytes are broad, wide, and flat for the large absorption of carbon dioxide and sunlight. Number 2, mesophytes have an extensive fibrous root system to absorb water from the land. Number 3, stomata are present on both sides of the leaves that allow transpiration and gaseous exchange. As mesophytes are the land plants, you can see the stomata are present on both sides of the leaves, so that make easy the absorption of carbon dioxide and sunlight and help in the excretion of oxygen. Number 4, when there is sufficient supply of water, stomata are kept open to promote the loss of excessive water. Number 5, in limited supply of water, stomata close to prevent the water loss. Here you can see the diagram of open and closed stomata side by side. So when there is the availability of sufficient water, the stomata are open, and while at the time of low quantity of water, the stomata are closed to prevent the water loss. Next are the xerophytes. Zero here means dry and phytes are the plants. So we can say xerophytes are those plant species live in severe dry condition with little liquid water. The examples are euphorbia, cactus, etc. Here you can see in this diagram the xerophytic plants like cactus, euphorbia. These plants are living in extremely dry condition with availability of very less water. Next we will see how these plants are adapted to their dry environment. Number 1, xerophytes have adaptations for reduced rate of transpiration. Number 2, many xerophytes possess small, thick leaves to limit the water loss. Number 3, their cuticle is thick, waxy, and leathery. Here you can see in this diagram, the leaves are very thick, they are small in size, and they are having leathery texture. So that can prevent the loss of water. Number 4, stomata are on the lower surface of the leaves and located in depression. Number 5, some such as cacti during the driest season shed their leaves to restrict the transpiration. Number 6, in rainy season, stem stores water for use in dry condition and are photosynthetic organs. Don't forget to like, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so you can receive updates for the upcoming lectures.